The Robotics and Automation Lab offers hands-on experiences with advanced robotic systems and technologies. Students in the College of Engineering and Applied Science can take courses to utilize this state-of-the-art facility. Equipped with industrial and collaborative robots, as well as vision systems and various sensors, the lab provides access to industry-leading technology. Through these experiences, students develop the practical skills and knowledge necessary to excel in the rapidly evolving field of robotics and automation.
This lab is brand new. We developed this one in fall of 2024.
Within any manufacturing, so making cars, making batteries, toothbrushes, they're going to be handled by some type of robot. Knowing how to navigate those abnormal situations with robots is a big part of the lab.
You really learn everything you need to know, from troubleshooting when you have errors, how to run programs, how to create programs. It gives you such a jump start compared to most students who don't have the equipment and such that we do.
My best experience, and I think my most applicable experience here, would have to be my senior design capstone. We're actually developing a multi-robot cell, which is going to comprise of an assembly process and a packaging process.
Right now, robotic engineer, control engineer, those are lack in workforce. So this lab prepares students for that kind of engineers. This lab is equipped with really advanced robots.
The projects for this lab all utilize FANUC robots, and FANUC is one of the leading companies in the robotics industry. It's just a great opportunity.
These new robots actually have guided me into my career for the future. I plan to go into robotics. Prior to this lab, I had no experience with robots. So this was a great foot in the door to help me get experience and a great add on my resume.